Bienvenue dans le module 9. Today, we're stepping into a new tense, le passé composé, the past tense in French. This is a big milestone because it allows you to talk about your past experiences, what you did yesterday, last weekend, or last year. It's also an essential topic in the TEF and TCF oral exams, especially at the A2-B1 level. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident telling simple stories and describing events from your past. Let's go over what you'll be able to do after this module. Conjugate common verbs in the passé, composé. Talk about past activities like a trip, an outing, or your weekend. Use the correct auxiliary verbs. Avoir and être. Use time expressions to give context. Answer a TEF or TCF oral prompt clearly and confidently. Let's get started together. We'll begin with some useful expressions of time that signal the past. Repeat after me. Hier, yesterday, avant-hier, the day before yesterday, la semaine dernière, last week, le mois dernier, last month, il y a 2 jours, 2 days ago, ce matin, ce soir, this morning, this evening, une fois, 2 fois, once, twice. These expressions often go at the beginning or end of a sentence to give context to your action. For example, hier, j'ai mangé une pizza. Je suis allé au marché la semaine dernière. Now, let's look at the structure of the passé composé. We use sujet plus auxiliaire, avoir ou être, plus participe passé. Here are a few examples. J'ai mangé une pizza. He ate a pizza. Elle est allée au marché. She went to the market. Nous avons visité un musée. We visited a museum. Ils sont partis en vacances. They went on holiday. Most verbs use avoir, but verbs of movement like aller, venir, partir, arriver use être. So, il a parlé avec moi. But il est venu chez moi. Try a few simple sentences using avoir and être verb now. Let's see a mini story example, like the one you might be asked to tell in the exam. Le week-end dernier, je suis allé à la plage avec mes amis. Nous avons joué au volley et nous avons mangé des glaces. C'était super. Can you do the same with your own weekend or memory? Think of where you went, what you did, who was there. One sentence with your feelings or opinion. Pause here and try to create your own story using the passé composé. Now, let's practice with a few typical TEF-style questions. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait hier? Parle-moi d'un voyage que tu as fait. Décris un week-end ou une fête récente. When you answer, M for 4-6 short sentences. Use verbs like aller, faire, avoir, être, manger, visiter. And remember to begin with a time marker. Hier. La semaine dernière. Il y a 2 jours. Here's a sample. Hier, j'ai étudié le français. Ensuite, j'ai cuisiné avec ma sœur. Le soir, j'ai regardé un film. C'était amusant. You don't need complex language, just be clear and confident. And now, your exam tips. Choose 2-3 easy memories you can prepare in advance. A trip, a birthday, or a meal. Memorize 6 to 8 useful verbs in passé composé. Always start with a time phrase. This adds structure and clarity. Keep your answers short and sweet. You don't need long sentences. Most importantly, smile, breathe, and speak like you're telling a friend. That's it for Module 9. Now, you've taken your first steps into the past tense. And with that, you can tell real stories, describe memories, and pass your TEF or TCF speaking exam with confidence. See you in the final A1 module, Module 10, La météo et les saisons.